Maggots, hey JT, I recently stumbled upon your videos, mainly the ones in regards to the P0420, the cat converter recall. Just wanted some tips, advice in terms of how to properly diagnose that specific code. Hoping it's an O2 sensor. My man, cat converter efficiency failure. Okay, I've bounced around problems, changed. I've done all of that, man. At the end of the day, I know it would be so much easier for this to be a problem of a upstream or a downstream O2 sensor. Number one, it would be inexpensive, but so we all want to hope that's what it is. But if the code says cat efficiency failure, what happened, that upstream O2 sensor and that downstream O2 sensor on the cat in question detect some efficiency problems with the cat that's in the middle. So at the end of the day, I guess what I'm trying to say is you're going to end up needing a cat, man. I know it sucks and it hurts because those are extremely expensive, but yeah, I've done all of that, man. Oh man, it's probably just O2 sensor. Put O2 sensor on, customer came right back. No light back on. I get in trouble. I look bad because I misdiagnosed it. So now I'm at the point now when I see that code, yes, you need a cat. Now I'm not reckless. Okay, I'm not just gonna say you need a cat and both O2 sensor or all O2 sensors. Yes, I'm gonna try to address your problem. Now the computer would pick that stuff up and set codes as far as if it's O2 sensor, but it came to the conclusion based off the readings from the O2 sensor that the cat converter, the efficiency of the cat converter is at question. So not much testing you can do, man. You're gonna end up needing a cat. I am so sorry, but that is the reality.